I'm Gavin Egan, farm at Scaddan, just north of Esperance in Western Australia. The type of farming we do is wheat, canola, barley and field peas. The Case IH machines we run on the property are a 4420 boom spray, 8230 combine harvester, Magnum 315 tractor and a 2303 swather. We do schedule maintenance and servicing on the equipment to save on downtime. It's just good management practice, we believe. We always stick to a service schedule to maintain the equipment because I just don't like downtime. It's just good practice. I don't like the machine stopping when it doesn't have to. I'd say to another farmer that didn't believe servicing was necessary that they're looking to wear machinery out and have a breakdown when it's not necessary. I believe it's important to use genuine Case IH parts because we know the quality's guaranteed, and that when you're servicing all the time, you need to be able to do that so that you don't have anything go wrong. I don't have any examples of coming unstuck by not doing servicing because, we just stick to it religiously and that's just part of our daily routine. The financial implications to not sticking to a service schedule here could be pretty major if you have a breakdown, and time is the essence. Boom spray, if you have a breakdown and weather comes in bad, you might not get spraying for another week. So I just believe it's paramount. I'd just like to add that using genuine parts, I think, is good management practice, as we know the quality's guaranteed and we know we won't have any downtime in the future.